Hey, what's up? Do you know what is better than Detroit style pizza? Of course, sourdough Detroit style pizza. Let me show you how to make it. Okay, 300-gram bread strong flour. To that, I'm gonna add 6 gram salt, 6 gram sugar, and 210 milliliters water. And of course, 60 gram active starter. Mix everything together. Time to use your hands. We don't want to knead it, we just wanted to bring it together. And let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wet up your hand and do one set of stretch and fold, like so. Grab the dough a couple of times and try to round it up inside the bowl. And rest for 1 hour. After 1 hour, everything would be the same. We try to help developing process. Stretch the dough a little bit, try to round it up, eyeball the dough like a pizza dough, and that's it. You can even bring the dough on the surface and try to push the dough through the surface, and with the help of the surface, create more tension if you like. Into the bowl, let it rest for another hour. Now gently do one set of coil fold. Finish its bulk fermentation for 2 hours at 30 degrees Celsius. Time to choose your baking pan. The best would be the square shape 20 centimeter baking pan, but I don't have it, so I decided to use this one. Or make the recipe half and use one of this small baking pan. The dough finished its bulk fermentation beautifully, as you can see. Oil up your pan generously. Transfer it into the pan. Don't push it, cover it and let it rest for 1 hour. Meanwhile, you can make a beautiful thick sauce. Teaspoon of tomato paste and 1 can of tomato puree into the pan and heat it up. Half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon salt, fried garlic, and of course, dried Italian herbs. And this is the consistency. Alright, my favorite moment. Time to assemble the pizza. Push the dough to the edges. For beautiful Detroit style, first layer would be cheese. If you find brick cheese, use it. But if you don't find it, you can use sharp cheddar cheese or a mix of cheddar and mozzarella, like what I'm using. And put that beautiful thick seasoned sauce on top of that cheese. And of course, the best choice would be pepperoni, but I don't have it. I have some salami. So, nothing wrong with it. And finish it with lots of Parmigiana. Listen to the sound. Bake 18 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. If you use lasagna tray like me and you want crispy bottom, take the beautiful pizza out, put it back into the oven for maybe 10 to 15 minutes more. And time to enjoy the beauty of this. This bread pan pizza is one of my all-time favorite. If you like this recipe, you can like the video and subscribe my channel. Like always, keep baking and take a good care of yourself.